1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is my E30, and fixed the engine problem. It was the intake manifold gasket. It was fucked. So switched that out, painted some stuff. Looks good, runs good. And the seatbelt. A buyer from a foreign country wanted to buy it. He was denied. He broke into the car, and for some reason he cut the driver's side seatbelt off. Don't know why. So I got a new belt. Gonna try and switch it out. Haven't done this before, so thought it would make a good video. I don't know. So let's get going. I got a screwdriver, a knife, and a pen. Don't know why. Sure I'm gonna need it. So let's go. And I'm gonna readjust something. Let me see here. There we go. Looking good, looking fine. So, okay. That's one way to do it, I guess. I have to remove this thingamabobber. How does it look? Okay, so it snaps over, I guess. It's a snapperoni! Yeah. That's good, and that's a 16, 17, I guess. Let's see. I'm gonna do this and that. And move this, throw that away. Take this whole piece of crap, throw that off. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so what's this? 17. Good. Okay, so this is my second E30 that I got really cheap. That's the Messenger. Great. And okay, spacer, bolts. Good to know. And this one is actually in better shape than the last one I had. Got a screw down there. No, that's one missing. Okay. And yeah, I don't know. I just fell for the body shape of the E30, and it's a light car, and it's pretty popular here in Sweden. Can I move this? Oh. I feel like that should come off somehow. Or not. So, a screw down here. And it's the wrong screwdriver. I'll be back. Nope. Oh, yep, there we go. And that didn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna figure this out. There's some kind of a thingamajigger back here. I'm gonna Google this, or maybe just pull it off, I don't know. And I'll be back. I pulled it off, which wasn't great, because these things should be attached to this, like so. And you should unbolt these two and slide the panel down and then pull it off, not yank off the mounts, and yeah, because those are supposed to go in there and slide up, and then 2 bolts. So I'm gonna have to glue those with something. Bubblegum or, I don't know. Biltemas bästa Kristoff möjligen. So, and I just realized I've done a small mistake. This is a 4-door and I got a 2-door belt. So, what that means is this mount, which is just a loop. On the coupe they have a bar down by the kick panel, which the belt goes through, and on the 4-door it bolts to the seat. I didn't realize that. So I should probably get another belt, but I'm gonna make it fit and be safe. You have to be safe. So now we have the, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe if I can, yeah, I can do this. There we go. Now I'm gonna have to remove this, because as you can, come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Doesn't look that great, does it? Snippety snip. So yeah, we have to remove it, and I'm guessing it's a 17 again. I guessed right. Come on. There we go. Like this. Come on. Here we go. Yummy. First commenter gets a pinch of fluff. Anybody? No? 0 comments on this video. Yeah. Busted shit. Going out. Battery warning thingamajigger going away. Thank you. So, does this even fit? I don't know. It does not look the same. We're gonna try it out. It goes in there. It goes down here. Should work. Bolt, washer. And then you righty tighty lefty loosey. Come on. Come on. Maybe. Maybe not. Come on. There we go. So yeah, I was talking about my other E30 before, and that was basically a barn find. And when I say barn find, it was behind the barn for 10 years. That's tight enough. So the floor was gone. I had to re-weld all the floors. Wheel arches in the back was gone. And yeah, it had some minor engine problems. But it worked pretty good for been sitting for 10 years. Ah, now I get what this thing does. So now we have to remove this part. Just clicks in. And that's so you can thread the snap, buckle, whatever you call it, back through. But before I do that, I have to glue on the stuff I broke. I glued on the mounts, and I threaded the belt through the loop, or the hole, or whatever you call it. So it looks like this. When you put it back on, you just put it on so the clips line up with the holes. Then you slide it up, put in the screw down there, then you're good. So now we have this through. We're gonna take the old bolts and spacer. I'm gonna put it up here. There we go. If you can even see that. No, there we go. So I'll put that back. Like that, and like this, that, and that. And there we go. And the stuff is going back on. There we go, good as new. You just tie this around your waist and then you're off. Or not. So let's see. Does it even fit in the stuff? Yeah, it does. It snaps in, that's good. So now we're gonna have to move to the front and figure out what I'm gonna do. So here you can see how it's mounted to the chair. It goes through a steel bar with a hole, gets bolted to the chair. My camera won't focus, there we go. So I'm gonna have to figure out to either mount the new seatbelt to this or make a new one of this, I don't know. The plan is weld it, cut it, thread the belt through, and zip tie the belt so it takes up as little space as possible, drench it with water, weld it, water, weld it, water. Let's see how it goes. I put it in, I'm in, take the belt, glides smoothly, and it clicks in, retracts, this is good, it locks. Oh, that's good, I made it work, and release, and it goes back. Awesome. That's all for today. This has been the backseat stories / homemade seatbelt video. Stay tuned for more videos, and you can probably not see my face right now, so bye.